Everyone open the exercise 4B. Let's start the exercise 4B. See, divide and find the quotient. Basics of division I have taught you in the last class. And if you have any doubt, I will give you last 10 minutes. You can ask me about 4A if there is any doubt, or 4B if there is any doubt. Let's start the exercise 4B. 4B is question number A is divide and find the quotient. So first we have to divide
Then
the
page
number.
number.
What is the first question? For page number 73 beta for 4B, exercise 4B. And let me tell you everyone, I'm reminding you once again, the question I will solve in the online session, that will be your classwork. And the question I will give as homework. And the question I will give you as homework, that you have to do as homework in the homework copy. And classwork will be the questions that I am solving in the online session. Understood everyone? Any doubt? Let's start it. So 3504 we have to divide it by 2. Now everyone will be unmute because you all have to reply what I am asking to you. So nobody will make the sound. Now first we will write here 2. 2 is the divisor and 3504 is the dividend. Yes. Ananya Kumari, are you able to hear me? Tell me. It will divide by which number? It will divide by ones. 3 is here and less than 3 in 2 table, that is 2 only. So 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we will take 5. Now 15 is here. Yes, Aditya, you tell me. 15 is coming in 2's table. Aditya, is 15 is coming in 2's table?
No, ma'am.
So tell me the number which is coming in 2's table, which is less than 15. Yes, 14. And on which number? On which number it is coming?
7.
Very good. 2 sevens are 14. Then 15 minus 14 is
1.
1. Very good. Then 0 we will take down. Now Sia Kumari, tell me 10 is coming in 2's table.
Yes.
Sia Kumari, 10 is coming
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
2's table.
Yes, ma'am.
On which number? 2 5s are 10. So 10 we will write here, and it will be 10 minus 10 is 0. Then we will take 4. Now 4 is coming in 2s are 2 2s are.
Yes, ma'am. 4.
Now remainder is 0. So quotient is equals to 1752. Understood everyone? Write it fast. Write it fast, then I'll do the next question. Write it fast everyone. It is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
And the one thing you have to remember always the remainder will be less than the divisor. The number by which we are dividing, always remainder will be less than divisor. What is the divisor here? Yes, Divyanshu. What is the divisor in question number 1?
2.
Very good. And what is the remainder?
0.
Very good. And what is the quotient? Kavita Kumari, what is the quotient?
1750.
Aditya, when I am asking to you, then only you have to reply. Everybody will get the chance. Shivam, why you were absent in the previous class? Shivam, Simanta. Completed everyone the question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start the question number. Let's do the question number 2. Question number 2 is 1352 will be divided by 8. So first we will write in between the dividend. What is the dividend? 1352. What is the divisor? 8. Now 3, 1 is here. 8 is the ones place number and we have to take the one number from the dividend. So 1 is there. So 1 is the less than 8. So we will take the 13. Now tell me, in 8's table 13 is coming?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So we have to divide it by less than 8. So 8 ones are less than 13. It should be less than 13. So 8 ones are 8. Now 13 minus 8 is 5. Now we will take 5 downside. Now tell me 55 is coming in 8's table. Is 55 is coming in 8's table? So we have to check the number. We have to check the number which is less than 55. 8 sevens are 8 sevens are 56. 56 is more than 55. So we will divide it by 6. 8 6 are 48. Now 5 minus 8 we cannot do. So we will take carry from this number. So this will be 4 and this will be 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will take 2 downside. Now 72. Is it coming in 8 table? Yes. 8 nines are 72. Very good. Now 72 minus 72 is 0. What is the quotient here? Quotient is 169. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, let me ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishuraj, what is the quotient here? Rishuraj, what is the quotient here? Beta, unmute your phone first. Yes. Tell me, what is the quotient in question number 2?
169.
Very good. What is the dividend?
Ma'am, 8.
8 is the dividend. So what is the divisor?
8.
Then dividend or divisor both can be same. Beta, the number we are dividing, the number we are dividing, that is called dividend, 1352. And the number by which we are dividing, that is called the divisor. So 8 is the divisor and 1352 is dividend. Understood, Rishuraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishuraj, understood? Next time it should
Yes,
not be
ma'am.
repeated. Yes, Anand Raj. What is the remainder in question number 2?
0.
Very good. Write it fast, everyone. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, written.
Write it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Again I am repeating. Listen it carefully, everyone. The question I am solving in the online session, that will be your classwork. You have to complete these questions in the classwork copy. And the question I will give you as homework, that you have to do yourself in the homework copy. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. let's start the third question. What is the third question? What is the third question? Third question is 2316. We have to divide it by 6. Now Rajdeep Kumar. Where is Rajdeep Kumar? Unmute your phone. Give me the answer, the question I'm asking to you. Rajdeep Kumar. I think there is some network problem. Yes, Suryansh Prasad.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the dividend in question number 3?
Ma'am, 2316.
And what is the divisor?
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. Now let's divide it. 2316 we will write here. After that 6 will be here. Now see, 2 is less than 6, so we will take the 2 digit, that is 23. Now tell me the number which is less than 23 in 6 table. 6 4s are 24, which is more than 23, so we will divide it by 3s are 6 3s are 18. Now 3 minus 8 we cannot do, so we will take carry from 2, so it will be 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 we will take down. Now 51. 8 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. Now 1 minus 8, it cannot be divided, so we will take carry from the 5. 5 will be 4 and 1 will be 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now we will take 6 here. Now 6 6 are Shivam Simanta. 6 6 are what number? Shivam Simanta. Unmute your phone, Shivam. Yes, tell me 6 6 are which number? 6 6 are 6 6 are 36. Now 36 minus 36 is 0. What is the remainder here, Shivam? Shivam, what is the remainder here? Unmute your phone first, then you can reply. Very good. What is the dividend here? What is the dividend here?
Ma'am.
Tell me. No, don't ask your mother. You only reply. Very good. 2316. Complete the question number 3 also, everyone. Is it visible to everyone? And what is the quotient here? Quotient is 386.
Ma'am, 368.
Complete the question number 3, everyone.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am completed.
Okay, no problem. I'll give you equal time to everyone. No problem. I will start after some time. Yes, let's start the question number 4. Question number 4 is 7,626 is divided by 6. So 7,626 is divided by 6. So what is the dividend here? That is 7,626. And what is the divisor here? That is 6. Now 7 is greater than 6. So we will divide it by 1 6 1 6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we will take 6 downside. 6 3 18. But 16 is less than 18. So we will do it by 2 6 2 12.
नहीं खड़ा होने से और जरूरत है पूरा
6 minus 2 is 4. Now 2 we will take downside 42. 42 is coming in 6 table. 6 7 42.
Ma'am,
Now 42 minus 42 is 0. Now we will take 6 downside. 6 1 6. Any doubt in this question? Any one of you? What is the quotient here? Quotient is 1271. Very good. Complete it fast, everyone.
Ma'am, completed.
ma'am completed.
Very good. Don't tell me. Completed, everyone?
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
start the very good. Let's start the next question. That is question number 5. Question number 5 is 2,700. 2,742 is divided by 6. Now dividend is 2,742 and divisor is 6. Now 2 is less than 6, so we will take the 2-digit number, that is 27. Now 6 5s are 30. It is more than 27, so we will divide it by 4. 6 4s are 24. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 4 we will take down. Now 6 6 are 36, but it is more than 34, so we will divide it by 5s. 6 5s are 30. Now 2 we will take down. 4 is left. 34 minus 30, that is 4. Now 42 is coming in 6 table. On which number? That is 7s. 6 7s are 42. So quotient is 457. Anyone is there who these questions? Anyone is here who has not understood these questions? Ask me.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Very good.
No, ma'am. No, I have no any question.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, completed fast. Okay, completed
Yes, ma'am.
fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed fast. You all are getting intelligent in the lockdown period. Complete it fast. I will come to know once I will check your homework. In the next class, I will check your homework copy, whether you have completed your homework or not. So sit with your homework copy in the next class. Understood everyone? Sit with the homework copy in the next class. I will check all the homework which I have given in 4A and 4B. I will give the homework for 4B today, and I have given some homework in 4A. Both you have to complete. In the next class, I will check your homework copy.
Ma'am, I have completed the homework.
Done everyone? Done
Yes, ma'am.
everyone? Let's
Yes,
do the
ma'am.
next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 8676 is divided by 4. So what is the divisor here? That is 8676. And what is the dividend here? 8676 is the dividend, and divisor is 4. I have said opposite. 4 is the divisor and 8676 is the dividend. So 4 to the 8. 0, then we will take 6 down. 4 1 the 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 7 we will take down. 27, which is not coming in 4's table, but we have to check the number which is less than 27. So which number is less than 27 in 4's table? 4 sevens are 28, which is more than 27. 4 6 are 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we will take 6 down. Now 36, which is coming in 4's table. 4 nines are 36. So quotient is 2169. Ananya Kumari, when I am asking you any question, you are not replying me, but your phone is on mute always. Mute it. Jia Thapa, understood? Okay. Sia Kumari, why your phone is on mute? Now next question I will ask from you. Charu, Pankaj, switch on your camera. Ankit Orao, Aniket Orao, switch on your camera. I should see everyone. Ritik Raj Gupta, Aditi Kumari, switch on your camera.
Ma'am,
Yes. Done everyone?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the homework?
You don't have the book with you, Suryansh?
Homework, ma'am, say,
What?
ma'am, because my phone is dropping in sometimes.
चार्ज खत्म हो गया जल्दी
Your voice is not clear to me.
बोलो ना तुमसे
मैम चार्ज खत्म हो गया मैम मेरे मोबाइल का।
जल्दी
मैम होमवर्क बता दीजिए।
Homework you can check from the Google Classroom. Homework will be the question number 10 to 18.
लिख लो 10 to 18 ले जाना बस हो जाएगा मतलब कि बनाओ जब तक खत्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद से हो जाएगा
10 to 18 there will be homework. Completed everyone? Let's start the next question. What happened?
Ma'am,
Let's start
10
the
numbers.
question number 7 is, I will tell you the homework in the last bit. Let me complete first. 5448 divided by 8. Now 5448 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. Now we have to divide. Now 5 is less than 8, so we will take the two numbers, that is 54. So which number is less than 54 or equal to 54 in 8th table? 8th table 54 is not there, so we have to check the number which is less than 54. 8 6 ja 48. Now 14 minus 8 is 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will take 4. Now 64, which is coming in 8th table, so 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. Now we will take 8 downside. In 8th table, 8 is coming on. 1s are 8, 1s are 8. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. What will be the quotient? Quotient will be the 681. Write it, everyone.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am.
Yes, Aditya, why you are saying ma'am, ma'am again and again?
मैम जो आप लोग होमवर्क दिए हैं
Homework I have not given now. I have not given.
मैम उससे
At the last, I will give the homework. Ananya Kumari, this is last warning for you. If I found your speaker is on, I will remove from the class. Done, everyone? Let's do the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is 5600 is divided by 7. So 5600 is the 5600 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. Now in 7th table, 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. These 2 0 left. It will be go to the quotient. The left 0 will come after the quotient. The left 0, which is left 2 zeros, that will come after the quotient. So quotient is 800. Can you all do the remaining question as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10 questions,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
do as homework?
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can do it.
Because tomorrow is Saturday, then Sunday, if you will do the 5 question, it will complete 5 question on Saturday, 5 question on Sunday.
And ma'am,
There are 2
next
days.
Friday this book will check now.
Not next Friday, next Monday. Sorry, next Monday when you will have the class in Wednesday. You will have the class on Wednesday. Wednesday, I will check your homework copy. So everyone sit with your homework copy.
And we have many days to complete it.
The remaining question you will do as homework. Everyone listen it carefully and complete the classwork
And we have
fast.
करेंगे.
Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Now let me ask you
Yes,
some
ma'am.
question to you. Okay, let me ask some question to you. let me ask you some question to you.
Ma'am.
Now tell me students, when we are multiplying any number by 0, what will be the product? When we multiply any number by 0, what will be the product?
0.
Very good. 0 will be the product. When we are multiplying any number by 1, what will be the product?
0 ही आएगा.
If we multiply any number by 1, what will be the product?
Repeat the number.
The same number will be.
Aditya, now you will not reply any of the answers. Let me ask some other students. Yes. Kavita Kumari. Tell me, if we multiply any number by 1, what will be the product? What will be the product? Kavita Kumari, unmute your phone first and reply the answer.
The product is same.
Same what? 1 or number itself? The product will be number itself. Now, who will tell me the multiplication facts? Who will tell me the multiplication facts? Nidhi Kumari. Nidhi. What are the multiplication facts, Nidhi? Tell me. I think she is not able to hear me. Rajdeep Kumar, what we say the number which is to be multiplied? What we say that number which is to be multiplied? Aditi Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what we call that number, what we say that number that is to be multiplied.
Ma'am.
This is the chapter which you have done. That is multiplication. I am asking the question from the multiplication only. Yes, Aditya, what we call that number which is to be multiplied?
हम लोग टेबल से करेंगे.
No. There are multiplication facts. Everyone listen it carefully. There are multiplication facts. If we are multiplying